In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to Outlook email messages. Hyperlinks make your emails cleaner and more professional by turning long web addresses into neat, clickable text or images. I'll walk you through the process in the desktop app and on Outlook.com, and I'll include clear tips so your links work exactly as expected. First, in the Outlook desktop app, start by creating a new message. From the Home tab, choose New Email to open a fresh Compose window. Type your message, then highlight the text or click the image that you want to turn into a link. Next, go to the Insert tab and select Link. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-K on Windows or Command-K on a Mac. In the dialog that appears, make sure you're on existing file or web page, and paste the full website address into the address field. It's best to include the complete URL with the secure HTTPS prefix, as this helps prevent link errors. If you want your readers to see something more descriptive than the raw address, adjust the text to display field so it says exactly what you want, like View the report instead of a long URL. When everything looks right, click OK to create the link. If you need to make changes later, right-click the link text or image and choose Edit Hyperlink to update the destination or the display text. If you no longer need the link, right-click and select Remove Hyperlink to keep the text but strip out the clickable part. Now let's do the same on Outlook.com in your web browser. Click New Mail to open a new message. Type your content, then highlight the text or select the image you want to link. On the toolbar, choose Insert, then Link. Paste the complete URL, again including HTTPS, to ensure it's recognized correctly, and click OK. Outlook will format it as a blue, underlined hyperlink. To edit, right-click the link and choose Edit Link, adjust the destination or the display text, and confirm your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.